The Volvo XC60 has been one of the best-selling luxury SUVs for years. And now the 2026 facelift is here with a sharper look, smarter technology, and the same reputation for safety that made it famous. But is this refreshed SUV still one of the best premium family vehicles you can buy in the US? Let's find out. Welcome back to Future Drive, where we bring you tomorrow's cars Today, we're taking a close look at the 2026 Volvo XC60 facelift in the sporty trim, exploring its design, technology, performance, safety, and whether it's worth choosing over its luxury rivals. At first glance, the updated XC60 keeps its elegant Scandinavian styling while adding a more modern appearance. The redesigned front grille, slimmer LED headlights with Volvo's signature Thor's hammer lighting, refreshed bumpers, and sporty alloy wheels give it a cleaner and more athletic stance. Around the back, updated taillights and subtle styling changes make the SUV look premium without trying too hard. Step inside, and the cabin remains one of the most comfortable in the segment. Premium materials, supportive seats, and excellent build quality create a relaxing atmosphere. The updated infotainment system features a larger touchscreen with Google built-in, including Google Maps, Google Assistant, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You'll also find a fully digital instrument cluster, TREM-IUM audio options, wireless charging, and plenty of space for both passengers and cargo. Under the hood, US buyers can expect mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid powertrains. The B5 mild hybrid produces around 247 horsepower, while the T8 Recharge plug-in hybrid delivers over 450 horsepower with impressive acceleration and an electric-only driving range suitable for daily commuting. The ride is smooth and quiet, while optional air suspension makes long trips even more comfortable. Fuel economy is another strong point. The mild hybrid offers competitive efficiency for a luxury SUV, while the plug-in hybrid can dramatically reduce fuel costs if you charge regularly. When it comes to safety, Volvo continues to lead the industry. Features like pilot assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera come standard or are widely available, making it expected to remain strong with regular maintenance. Although servicing costs are slightly higher than mainstream SUVs, fortunately, Volvo's reputation for durability helps offset long-term ownership concerns. The biggest strengths are its elegant design, outstanding safety, premium interior, smooth ride, and advanced hybrid technology. On the downside, the infotainment system still has a learning curve, and pricing can climb quickly with options compared with competitors like the BMW X3, Audi Q5, Mercedes-Benz GLC, and Lexus RX. The XC60 stands out by focusing on comfort, safety, and Scandinavian luxury instead of outright sportiness. If you're looking for a refined luxury SUV that combines modern technology, efficient hybrid power, and exceptional safety, the 2026 Volvo XC60 facelift deserves a place at the top of your shopping list. Thanks for watching Future Drive. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more of the latest automotive reviews. Which luxury SUV would you choose? Let us know in the comments below.